How to get NPCs to move in Terraria. So you cannot just build a dirt shack. They strictly require a valid house that meets the exact game rules. So as you can see right here, I have my houses. So first you will need to build a room with a minimum of 60 total tiles. So a standard 6 by 10 block rectangle will work perfectly. Or you could also do something like this. After that, once you have built your structure, make sure to fill the entire background with player crafted walls. So natural dirt or cave walls will absolutely not work. Then you will need to place 3 specific items inside. So a chair, a table, and a light source. So it can either be a torch or something. And also make sure to keep the house away from any spreading corruption or crimson biomes. And once the house is ready, each NPC will arrive automatically, only after you meet their unique trigger condition, like holding 50 silver coins for the merchant to spawn. So you can see if your house is suitable by clicking on escape and then clicking on the housing icon right here, and click on this question mark, which is the housing query, and click on the structure that you just made. So since this housing is already occupied, it says right here on the bottom left, this housing is already occupied. And you can also see the picture of that NPC that lives in that particular structure or house. So let's try to build another one. So I have one right here. So I'm just going to add a wooden table, just like that, and check if the housing is suitable. So click on housing, the question mark, click on the structure, and you can see it says that the housing is suitable. And that is how you basically get NPCs to move in Terraria.